Okay, let me show you my Rover. Yeah, robot Rover. I don't know how to call it yet. Steam Rover. Yes, I think. Look, I bought it on Miniso, but I changed some things. Okay, this actually is a box there. I put this thing that's for having the cell phones in the camera in the car. Sorry, so I can put the cell phone here. It works like a Wi-Fi camera. And let's look inside here. Oh, as you can see there. Okay, so that's the computer. That's the brain of the computer. That one, I made it there. Super cool. And this is our Arduino shield that is Wi-Fi connected. Okay, and has 3 batteries for power and 4 motors. Okay, with wheels. So I just make the holes for the wiring and put it over there and see. And pretty simple wire, very simple over there. So it goes for the motors. Okay, and also I like this rubber because you can transport things inside. Yes, over here. And I like the color, also the Iron Man here. You can see it in the other one. So maybe it's a steam rubber. Okay, and I can put it over here, the lid. Can secure it. Okay, secure it in the other side too, and it's ready to run. There you go. And it's an Explorer. Yeah, let me show you its features. Let's ride it. Let's give it a ride there. So we can have some lights, a rubber band gun. We can do a lot of things there. Okay, so let me show you a little demonstration. Okay, everybody, I have a surprise for you. I have a Rover Explorer. Yeah, I'll do it with microcomputers, and it's not above 200 pesos. Okay, maybe 250, 300, depending on when you find stuff. Okay, and everything is free programming. Okay, and super easy. As you can see, I have my cell phone here. Yes, over there, here in the set here, and I control my Rover with the cell phone. And what you are seeing here is actually the cam. Yeah, it's an Explorer, and it's in my backyard, and it's guided by Wi-Fi. So the Rover can be in the Atsubure, or it can be on your home, or it can be anywhere on the planet, and I control it with my cell phone. So look, this is my virtual joystick, and this is the power. So let me go backwards. Oh, you can see there. Look over there. Nice. Now let's turn a little bit front. Okay. Turn. So you can see my backyard. There you go. That's my home. I'm exploring here. See there. Get back there. Yes. Oh. Right there. Haha. Exploring. To the jungle. There you go. Jungle. Yes. So cool. So nice. And now backwards again. Go. Yes. Exploring. You see, I have my laundry. Sorry. That's my laundry. Okay. There you go. Nice. There it is. There. I can see how my plants are doing. There. Oh. Okay, I have coffee. Over there is my coffee tree. Yeah. That's it. Go, sir. Go. Awesome. Ha! Do you like it? That's a rover, and it's actually the same thing that is happening on Mars. Well, with more millions, you know, NASA have more money. And also the signal takes more time to come here to Earth. Actually, 20 minutes. Okay, but here that is kind of cool. I can explore any part of the planet. Yeah, that's cool. I hope you like it. This is STEAM class. I'm Teacher Robert, aka Dr. Pi, and we are in Science and Technology Week. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh my god. Keep going. Oh my god. Yes. Explore there. Cool. Yes, cool. Maybe I can have some rubber band launchers. Yes, I had to fight something. Yes, maybe a squirrel. Okay, bye bye.